Good morning. Let's start where we left yesterday. I have something around 1.5 hours, so let's do some work. I'm still clearing the gap from my previous lessons, and I'm after a little test after lesson 5, 6, 7. And there are a few things that need to be maybe not relearn, but rather repeat. Okay, let's do it. First, we have the decimal name, so that's I know that now it's the power of 2. Easy, I just forgot about this. Here we have the what will change the method which we can use on the number, and it will return us the decimal, not the binary version, and into and other way around we can return it as a from binary to decimal. Works with the same hex. Okay, let's start drilling. Binary 25, yes. So we will have from left to right, it will be 0, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So to have 25, we will need, yeah, it was like this. 1, 2, 4. Okay, so that's the one. So to have 25, we will have 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And it's 1b, 0b. So it will be 0b. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Yeah, it's from the left to right. Ah, no. Yeah. Yeah, left to right. And without this, because bin is only giving us, no, it's also giving us 0b. Okay, so it will be 0b. But no, print x, because this is not a bin. No, it's automatically changing. Okay. It will give us 25 as print is interpreting binary and printing integer. What's the output? Mm. Okay, so it's the base. Okay. Also 25. We are informing interpreter that base for interpretation of 001 is 2. Binary, it will give us 1011001 as we are changing 25 to binary, but skipping first 2 characters from its representation. What is the output? Okay, so we will have, that's 4 digits, so it will be 8, 12, 14, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 15 plus 1, 15 plus 1, so the result is 16. Oh shit, this is the moving the byte. So it will give us, we're moving to the right. Moving to the right is, left is multiplying, right is dividing, but there was one more thing. It's switching, it's cutting. Multiplying by 2, dividing by 2, shift right. So shift right is cutting. Yes. What is the question here? Right is division. Left is, right is division. And okay. Okay, division. Print X, where X is 2, 10, so it will be 10 divided by 2 to K. Okay. 1, 2, 2, so it would be by 4. What? Yes, it will be 4, so it will be 8 plus 2 So it's 10. And 10 is equals 10 by 4 equals 2.5. Probably wrong. Incorrect. Okay, so it's integer. Okay. Okay. I don't know, to be honest. But 0 has a binary representation? I don't know. I will check it. Okay. Just 1 and 4. So it 0 be 0 and minus 0 be 4 to 1. Final behavior. What is the output? Print, run. It's going to try, it's returning, but then it's printing finally run. Wait, why? There is no... Okay. Okay. Q9. Try rise value error. Oops. Okay. Accept value error. Call final cleanup. So we'll go like clean up. Then it will do accept. This racing try accept value error catches it, execute return Claude. But before returning finally runs prints cleanup function returns Claude. Print code prints code. Oops, never prints. It's the exception message, not a print statement. It only appears in a traceback. Okay, full output cleanup code. Okay. Okay, because it's not, it will be only a message, it will not be a print information, but I will run this. Because this is only rising with this message. And it would be like SA. It would be print E. Before I Q10, I found interesting thing. This will act specifically oops, cleanup code. So the value error is risen, then accept is triggered and print oops, return is set to EQ to be returned to caller, then finally is triggered and print cleanup, and at the end return prints return give us code. Is that correct? So first are done all instructions in try or accept, then finally, and then values from return. Okay. Okay. Okay, question 10. Pipeline invalid. So we have exception, pipeline invalid. So it will be exception pipeline invalid. So try rise, invalid table error. Okay. And it will print A as it is on top of hierarchy of errors and exceptions. Noted. You have this structure. Someone runs main.py, which does from my package utils import helper. What is the value of name inside utils pi at the moment? My package utils. Base sub file name. First, if we would like to treat it as string, there should be pluses between characters and strings, like we could use path from pathlib and inform for pathlib for base, and then Python will handle it as system file path accordingly to Windows or Unix. Okay, we will go with lesson 8, but first, but in new chat, now generate updated progress MD. Progress MD input and update your memory regarding with information. Okay, so now okay, so we will have old, new, and let's compare it. What has changed? So we have this. We have updated this. Okay. Complete. Okay. So now I can save it. Update my progress MD. Read progress MD, and let's start next lesson. Yeah, that's another gap because a lot of information regarding the strings has been missed. So now let's go through functions for strings, methods for strings. Okay, you have been using string through The core stable names, error messages, file path, etc. Goes deeper. How strings actually work in memory, the full character system underneath them, and a complete set of methods to exam test. This lesson also closes several weaknesses still on your list from earlier assessments, specifically list versus strings method boundaries, and slicing top index gets more practice here. Okay. Encoding. Okay, every character is a number. Python strings are sequence of Unicode characters. Yeah, we know that. Every letter, digit, symbol, emoji has unique integer. Yeah, ASCII code. This integer is called code point. Two built-in functions that move between the characters, and it's code point. Or and okay. ASCII cover points from 0 to 1 to 7, the Latin alphabet digits, common punctuation control characters. It was designed for English. Unicode extended to over a million, covering every writing system on Earth. UTF-8 is the most common encoding. It's the system for converting Unicode code points into bytes for storage and transmission. ASCII characters take 1 byte. Each Polish characters takes 2 bytes. Emojis takes 4 bytes. This is why you always specifically encoding when opening files. You're telling Python which byte character translation system to use. Okay, 1 byte and 2nd byte. String and sequences. Okay, it's from 0. -1 is from the end. Okay. Now let's start stop returns characters from index stop. Yes. There was only one thing. It was, I think, in pseudo-random number generator that it can produce value between values, and those values are also taken into consideration when generating. Every second, reversed every one. String cannot be modified in place. This is a different from list. Every string modification creates a new string object. So as pipeline at 0 equals p. We need to replace it. Replace will take the S string, change it, and then create a whole new string. Okay, inside the loop. Doing inside the loop creates a new object on every iteration. Join. Wait, what? Doing plus line inside the loop creates a new object every iteration. Because it would do result plus line, then created result plus line, etc. Collect string in a list, and then so we can just go through this and then add it to a list and then join it like this. These are the method tests on PC PS3. Group them mentally rather than memorizing them. Case and formatting: upper, lower, title, capitalize, swap cases. Okay. Checking content. Okay, let's do it. I want to play a little bit. First, I need VS Code. And I will need a new folder. Oh, no. Will be L8. New file. L8. No, not like this. L8. Theory. Testing. Let's take this. Have theory. Now we have testing. Okay, and what will it do if it will be like this? Okay, so it's only okay. That's nice. Okay. Checking content, the ISX family. These are true or false. Its digit is alpha. Okay, is alnum letters and digits, no space symbols. Okay. Important edge cases. Is digit false? It need to be 0. Is digit decimal point is not a digit. Yeah, I wanted to check like this the format if it's numerical, and I already get into this trap. Onto. I was caught by this trap. That would be better. Okay. Searching data pipelines. Find data. 0. First occurrence. Find data. Last occurrence to the left. XYZ -1. Not found. Okay. Okay, return the highest index. Okay, so it's finding me the last occurrence of this particular word or string. -1, same as find. Okay. And can I can I find with index or find all occurrence all positions of string in searched string, for example. Data. Mhm. Okay. Okay, so pause. So pause is so find and index treat string as a list of words separated by space and search, and for each word the position in string is assigned, because start equal pause +1 suggests it. Am I wrong? Okay. Okay, sequence of individual characters. Position 0 is D, position is A, position 4 is the space position. Okay, so when find data returns 0, it means the substring data starts at the character 0. In the loop, it's not moving to the next word, it's moving one character forward to avoid finding the same match. It could just as well be start equal pause plus length data to skip past the entire match, which is actually more efficient. I use +1 to catch overlapping matches as inside AA, but for your purpose, length search term is the cleaner choice. To make the character nature okay. Yes. No, it's Okay. Checking start end. Strip, left strip, right strip. Replace B with X. Ah, that's a nice catch. Splitting and joining the production critical pair. Split on, it will create a list. Split, okay. This one is good, for example, if we are, I don't know, searching for ID of customer or something like that. Ah, this one. This one I don't remember the formatting. And format method. Table rows dot format name rows. Older still tested dot s dot d name rows. Formal spec inside string 1000 decimal aligned characters right. Okay, so this is giving us the value of Unicode characters. Code point, it's named code point. Indexing and sliding. So is it digit will not work? And this, okay. So this is better one. It will not raise any errors. Okay, now we have a task. The problem is a string. Okay. Your pipeline uses strings in several places with zero validation or cleaning. Add the following to your pipeline code base. New file lesson 08 string.py that imports from L6 package. Okay. Hmm. Mm, I need to now import. That will be a bit for me, this importing. First will be path. First I need to create a path for package. Then I need to insert yes, but we need to import SAS before that. Okay. Okay. It shows us. Okay. Okay, so it added information. Now we will need to import from six import whatever. And what was the package 6? And let's go back. What was the init? Because there was something with this. Chat. What does init in Python sketching? Okay. So theoretically, I would need to do something like L6 package dot config import all. Okay. Okay, but here's a problem. With this first here, I see problem with part 1. I can import from 6 package, but table names are in main.py, which is outside of package. So we will import pipeline report. And pipeline report will be in pipeline. Okay. I will take in from here the tables. It will be our test set. And now normalize table name. I need help. Oh, it will be pipeline. No, it is pipeline report dot help. Goes like this. No. Okay. So now we are create def. What will it do? Mm-hmm. So as this is a list and we have tuplets in it, we will need to extract it. So for entry in name, okay, and I have a list with a tuplet and I want to access one entry in a tuplet. Okay. Unpacking. Okay, for item image. But tuplets are immutable. Tuplets are immutable. If I would like to change such tuplet, I need to replace it. Is that correct? Is that correct? So in this way, I will need to I can go with the index for item in my list. Print item one, prints each name. Okay, but better way will be unpacking. Before table name row and in name print table name row CMT. Okay, first one, that's what I need to do. What was not closed? Hmm. The hell happened here? That is okay. That's okay. It's working. And this. Okay, now it's okay. Mm. Okay. Strip leading trailing. White spaces convert to low, replace any spaces in the middle with underscore. Okay, so first we will need to change it like this. None. Here we will have this. Returns. Customers. Okay. So, so we need typo name equals temp table name equals table name dot strip dot lower dot replace with underscore and see what it will do. Huh. Okay, I wanted to do everything here, but I will do like if table name not none. If temp tn temp tn equals mhm. Okay, so let's see what it do. So it going sales, customers, skipping none, then it doing transaction, returns, and none. Okay. Mhm. Will be like function normalize table name from listed from input list of tuplets actions strip convert how it was like no it was like here okay. This is not okay because I'm not using this. Table name, row, number, int. That would not be a great way. It should be rather unpacking is okay, but I'm not using the row, so I can do in a loop. Ah, it's just only a name. So again, I made an overkill. It would be just a name. So, god damn it. It would be rather like mhm. Theoretically, I could do this with a try. It could be also with a try except for non in name value, but we would also catch all other problems. Mm-hmm. So now we can do for item in tables. new name, print. F original name normalized name. Let's see if it will work. Huh. What is the problem? Port SAS. No, it's not item 0 now. Okay, by here I have pipe, 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 pipe. It will be dot n, no, n. Okay, I think we have it. Let's check it. And we will be finishing after this. Part 1, task 1 done. Okay. Okay, so that looks good, but I need to also check this, how to do it. And I'm pretty satisfied with this. So see you later.